Akuapem Mountains lies a kingdom mighty, every heart will know. Akuapem, land of culture and might, where the sun sets slow and the stars shine bright. With the Buri's calm botanical gardens and waterfalls free, beautiful buildings and architectural marvels for homes. The Beverly Hills of Ghana, Akuapem's royal seat and honor, where king reigns, tourists climb to taste our resorts and capitals view from space, where eagles soar and spirits rise. Mio Akuapem di Prekope, I'm proud Akuapem, born of culture and respect, with wisdom in our words and strength in our hands. We speak in proverbs, deep like the sea. Our tongue is honor. Our history speaks as warriors under Ozedi Okwasi reign. Okoapieni our only Lord. Our kingdom rises, unbreakable chain. Akuapem strong, Akuapem kind, a jewel in Ghana, forever we shine. Me a proud Akuapemni. Osadi, you're the king with a lion's pride, yet humble in heart with angels at his side. His name commands respect across the lands, a symbol of power with a gentle hand. He holds the throne with history and power, a king by birth, a servant of right. From Akuapem's stool to the world beyond, his legacy echoes a sacred bond. We love the tribes from north to south, unity and peace we open our door, and they respect us for they can see the noble soul of Akuapem and Akuapem folk. Our culture speaks in every tone, our values rooted like ancient stone. It's a privilege to be born Akuapemni, oh yes it's true. Akuapem Manyetase, I'm proud Akuapem, born of culture and respect, with wisdom in our words and strength in our hands. We speak in proverbs, deep like the sea, like the sea. Our tongue is honor, our history speaks as warriors under Ozadi Okwasi reign. Okuapihimi our only Lord. Our kingdom rises, unbreakable chain. Akuapem strong, Akuapem kind, a jewel in Ghana, forever we shine. Me a proud Akuapemni.